Ever wonder why that paycheck seems to disappear faster than it arrives? It's a common question, and the answer often lies in understanding and managing personal finances more effectively. First up, budgeting. It's not as daunting as it sounds. Start by tracking all expenses for 1 month. This picture of spending habits will shine a light on where money is going and where it could be better spent. Prioritize savings by setting aside at least 20% of income before allocating the rest to bills and daily expenses. Next, consider meal planning. By planning meals in advance and shopping accordingly, not only does it reduce food waste, but it also minimizes the temptation to dine out or order in. A win for both the wallet and the waistline. Now let's get crafty. DIY projects aren't just for Pinterest enthusiasts. From simple home repairs to upcycling furniture, DIY can save significant funds. Plus, it's a fun way to spend a weekend. Comparison shopping is another tool in the money-saving arsenal. Whether it's groceries, clothing, or essentials, taking the time to compare prices can lead to significant savings. Energy efficiency is not just good for the planet, it's good for the pocketbook. Switch to LED bulbs, ensure the home is well insulated, and consider energy-saving appliances. Setting financial goals is the compass that guides financial decisions. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new car, or a comfortable retirement, having a clear goal makes it easier to stay on track. Avoid impulse buying. Easier said than done, right? But with a little planning and discipline, it's possible. Try waiting 24 hours before making a significant purchase. Often the urge will pass. Coupons and cashback offers are not relics of a bygone era. They're valuable tools that can lead to substantial savings on everyday expenses. And let's not forget transportation. Carpooling, public transit, or biking are all ways to save on commuting costs. Finally, financial literacy is the key to long-term financial health. Understanding concepts like interest, investments, and the importance of saving for the future can transform financial outlooks. So, to recap, budgeting, meal planning, DIY projects, comparison shopping, energy efficiency, setting financial goals, avoiding impulse buys, using coupons and cashback, saving on transportation, and financial literacy are all steps on the path to more effective money management. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Today might just be the day to take that first step towards better financial health.